Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the Redmi Note 10 Pro. Open the Contacts app, which is in the Google folder. Tap the three bars in the top left corner and go to Settings. Find the Import option at the bottom and select SIM card. All contacts on your SIM card will be selected by default. If you don't want some, deselect them. Grayed out contacts already exist on your device. Tap the Import button to copy the selected contacts. That's how you import contacts from your SIM card. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.